WooCommerce versus Dropified. Which dropshipping platform offers better automation? When it comes to dropshipping, automation is key to saving time and boosting efficiency. So, how do WooCommerce and Dropified stack up against each other in this department? Let's break down both platforms and see which one offers better automation, and stick around, because by the end, I'll show you an even better alternative that could change the game for you. First thing you need to know is that WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms around, mainly because it's free to use and integrates seamlessly with WordPress. But that doesn't mean it's a perfect choice for dropshipping. While WooCommerce offers basic automation features like inventory syncing, pricing rules, and order management, it can quickly feel a bit clunky once you scale up. Sure, you can use plugins for added automation, but you'll end up needing multiple tools and integrations to do what Dropified can do out of the box. Next thing, Dropified is specifically built for dropshipping, and that means it's packed with features designed to streamline the entire process. One of its standout automation features is automatic order fulfillment. This means when a customer places an order, it's automatically sent to your supplier without you having to lift a finger. This kind of automation is what makes Dropified great for hands-off entrepreneurs looking to scale quickly. It even offers automated product imports, price updates, and inventory syncing, which is a huge time saver. However, while these features are great, they come at a price, especially if you're just starting out. The third thing is the learning curve. WooCommerce, while powerful, does require a bit of technical know-how. Setting up automation tools with plugins can be tricky for beginners. Dropified, on the other hand, is much easier to use right out of the box, especially when it comes to setting up your store for full automation. But again, its ease of use might come with some limitations, and there are some features locked behind higher tier plans. Next, let's talk about support. WooCommerce has a massive community, and you can find answers to almost any question on forums or by documentation. However, when it comes to technical support, you're often left to fend for yourself or rely on third-party developers. Dropified, in contrast, offers 24/7 support and training, which is a huge benefit if you run into any issues while automating your dropshipping store. But there's a catch with both. While WooCommerce offers a lot of flexibility, it can require a lot of time and effort to integrate all the necessary tools and plugins for a truly automated dropshipping experience. Dropified, while easier to use and packed with automation features, can be quite pricey as you scale. So, it really depends on how much you're willing to invest in your store's automation. Now, the most important thing to remember is that both platforms are good options, but they come with their own sets of challenges. But after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative if you're serious about automation and want to focus more on growing your business than managing manual tasks. If you want the best solution for dropshipping automation, then take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, this could be the key to taking your business to the next level. So, while WooCommerce and Dropified are both solid choices, when it comes to better automation, the alternative I'm recommending today is definitely worth checking out.